How to write 0.125 in word form? Look, this is a decimal number, right? Okay. The whole number part is 0. The fractional part is 0.125. Okay. This is a decimal point. After decimal point, we have tenth column, then hundredth, then thousands. Before decimal, we have ones column, tens column, hundreds column. After decimal, at the end of the column name, we have to use TASS. Okay, this one is in which column? Tenth column. 2 is in hundredths column, and 5 is in thousands column. Okay, so first consider this part as a whole number. As a whole number, we say it 125. 125. Look here, I have used a hyphen. Word from 21 to 99. For 20, for the number 21 to 99, we use hyphen 25. Okay. Then the last digit from left to right. Last digit is 5. 5 is in which column? This is 10th column. This is 100th column. This is thousands column. At last you have to write thousands. So this is called 125 thousands in words. Okay, let me clearly explain to you. If you convert this decimal to fraction, then just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting. For decimal, consider 1, and for every digit after decimal you have to consider 0. So 0 for 1, 0 for 2, and 0 for 5. So out of 1000 equal parts, we are considering 125. That is, if you cut a apple 1000 equal parts, out of that 1000 equal parts, you are considering 125 parts. So this is what? This is 125 thousands.